Welcome. Let us discuss about pest and diseases of mulberry. Powdery mildew. Pathogen. Phyllartinia corellia. Symptoms. Appearance of the powdery patches on the lower surface of the leaves. When the disease is severe, the powdery patches turn into brownish black. The leaves become yellow, coarse, and lose their nutritional value. The severely infected leaves will become powder brittle even by gently crumbling using hand. Crop loss 10% to 15%. Occurrence. The disease is more prevalent during rainy season. Factors responsible for spreading of the disease. Temperature of 24 to 28 degrees Celsius and high relative humidity 75% to 80% are responsible for infection and disease development. The occurrence of powdery mildew is more in shady gardens. The disease is airborne, spreading by conidia, fungal spores through wind currents. Control measures. Follow wider spacing of plantation or paired row planting system. Spraying 0.2% kerathane or bavastin on the lower surface of the leaves. Picking and burning of the diseased leaves. Proper pruning and weeding, increasing air circulation and reduce humidity. Tukra. Pathogen. Pink mealybug. Mechanellicosis hirsutus. Taxonomic position. Phylum Arthropoda. Class Insecta. Order Hemiptera. Family Pseudococcidae. Genus Mechanellicosis. Species Hirsutus. Occurrence. They occur on mulberry throughout the year, but the incidence is high in summer, March to August. Their population is negligible during rainy season. Description and life history. Adults of both male and female are about 3 mm long. Female are pink in color with a white waxy covering and have no wings. Males have a pair of wings with 2 long waxy tails and are capable of flight. Each female lays approximately about 350 to 600 eggs in an ovisac covered with cotton-like mealy substance. The eggs will hatch in 6 to 9 days. Nymphal period 23 to 27 days. Its total life cycle completes in a month period. There will be 10 to 12 generations in a year. Alternate host plants. They are highly polyphagous and so far more than 350 host plants have been recorded, namely pumpkin, hibiscus, cotton, beans, sugarcane, maize, etc. Occurrence. They occur on mulberry throughout the year, but the incidence is high in summer, March to August. Their population is negligible during rainy season. Damage and symptoms. The nymphs feed by sucking the sap from tender leaves and the stem portion. Hence, the affected apical shoots show bushy appearance due to the curling of leaves, shortening of internodes, and thickening of stem. This symptoms is popularly known as tukra in India. In advanced stages of infestation, black sooty mold is developed in the affected area due to growth of fungus on the honeydew secreted by the mealybug. This pest makes quantitative and qualitative loss in mulberry production due to retarded growth of plants and depletion in nutritional value of the leaves. Control measures. Spray 0.2% DDVP, 76% EC, 2.63 ml per liter of water for 15 to 20 days after pruning. Safety period 15 days. Clip off infested apical shoots and destroy by burning or dipping in the soap solution. Release predatory ladybird beetles like Schimus cockyrora at an interval of 6 months. Leaf webber. Pathogen Diphaenia pulverulentalis. Taxonomic position Phylum Arthropoda. Class Insecta. Order Lepidoptera. Family Pyralidae. Genus Diphaenia. Species Pulverulentalis. Description and life history. The moths emerge from the pupae present in the soil and lay 1 to 2 eggs on the apical portion of each shoot. Total fecundity ranges from 80 to 150. The eggs are flat, pinkish in color and hatch in 5 to 7 days. The grown-up larvae with black head is greenish brown with black markings on the lateral and dorsal regions of the body segments. The larval period lasts for 10 to 15 days, after which they pupate in dry leaves or grass at the base of the plant. Pupae are dark brownish in color and last for 8 to 10 days. Adults are grayish white in color with brown stripes on the forewings, and each measures about 10 mm in body length. The life cycle is completed within 29 days. Alternate host plants: mustard, turnip, radish, red beet, bean, soybean. Occurrence: they are observed on the onset of monsoon from June and last up to Feb. Peak period is November to Feb. Damage and symptoms: the young caterpillar binds the leaflets together with silky secretion, settle inside, and devours the soft tissue of the leaf surface. And so the pest is popularly called as leaf webber. Grown-up caterpillars feed voraciously on tender leaves, and its faces can be seen over the leaves below the infested shoot. Here, the growth of the plant is affected, which leads to adverse impact on leaf production. Management practices: spray 0.076% DDVP 76% EC 1 ml for 12 to 15 days after pruning or leaf harvest. Safe period is 15 days. Clip off infested apical shoots and destroy by burning or dipping in the soap solution. Collect and burn the dry leaves to destroy the pupae. Install the light traps to attract adult moths and destroy them. 1 to 2 traps per acre. Plant dry sticks in all the sides of the garden to attack the birds which feed on the larvae. Deep luffing exposes the pupae to sunlight and natural enemies. Flood irrigation helps to kill pupae.